how to invest the money. Now you can see that I already got 263% profit on Asia Composite Index. That's a huge profit I earned from Asia Composite Index. Now I just want to show you there are some other things that in forex the AVAX is showing in profit. Okay, so huge profit in AVAX crypto. So now at this moment I'm going to the composite index and Europe composite index. I just want to check the Europe composite index. It is showing huge 7339. I already bought that at 7390, but I closed the Europe composite index and now you can see 7339 is a huge up mark. It's showing here 7339, right? Composite index, you can see that 0.33% up, so it is also in the up mode. And in Asia Composite Index is showing that 0.06% down. So that's why I earned 263% on my investment because I make down investment, okay, short on the forex market. Now I just want to show you that how can you invest your money. Let's see Brent. Okay, in Brent you can see that it's almost minus 1.01% down. Okay, so at this moment, if you want, you can invest your money at down bottom. So let's see. Let's just go for the down here in a Brent. Okay, now for metal, I'm going to metal, and now it's silver 3.83% up, a huge up. So I'm going for up right now. And now in our gold is also very up, so I'm going for up right now. So both gold and silver is moving on the same direction. So for that I just made the investment for this three section. Okay, metal, commodities, and now going, if I go to the indices, you can see Asian Composite Index is down. uh, Dow Jones. Now I am going for Dow Jones. It's showing up movement at this moment. So right now I just want to go for up movement. So I'm making the up movement right now. Okay. So I'm going for up movement, and it's mm, and I am actually selecting the 100% multiplication of my investment. So I'm going for up movement right now because it is up. And I know that this one is very risky, but still I'm going for the up movement. So I have invested in a four section, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me just show you: Dow Jones, gold, silver, and Brent. Okay, I have made 263% profit on Asian Composite Index, and now I Brent, silver, gold, and Dow Jones. I have made investment into this four section. I have invested $40. Okay, so it's showing profit and loss is 1.433743. Okay, let's see what will happen. So this is the chart. This four chart I have selected for investment. So now, as per the movement, have done the investment as per the movement. I'm going with the movement. So now let's see what will happen. What will happen in on my investment? Dow Jones is now 2% down. Gold is 2% down. Silver is 6% down, and Brent is 5% down. So it is showing down right now. But hope for the best. Let's see what will happen. This is the scenario right now. I have made the investment, and now it is 1%, 2% down. And if we see, I'm going at the silver. What is the commission rate of the silver? Let's see. Let's check what is the commission rate. It's 0.78, means 7%. So I'm into the profit right now because you can see the 0.7 is showing the commission. So they are already charging the commission. I have invested $40, and now you can see the profit. It's into a Asian composite 263%, and then Brent is in 13% profit. Silver is absolutely opposite. You can see silver, it is just under this similar like my commissions 0.81. No moving. Silver is not showing any movement, so it's 8% loss. Is an 8% till 8% loss. And gold is 4% profit, and Dow Jones is 20% profit showing right now. So you can understood that how to invest the money into the market. I mean, this is the process. That's what I'm showing. That if you invest your money on the direction where the market is moving, market is switching, you can easily invest your money without any worry, without any tension. Okay, at least you have to invest your money in multiple sections so that you can understand, so that you can you can understand, you can be very trustworthy of getting profit. It is the big opportunity to earn the profit. Okay, in in 40 after the $40 investment, you are actually earning almost 3 to 4, almost 4 to 5% profit. You can see more than 5% profit I am earning. It's almost say 7% profit is actually showing here. So at least you can earn the profit easily. So if you are seeking for the big profit, then it is it is not too easy. But if you are following the proper process to earn the profit, you can earn the profit easily. Okay, this is the process. This is the part I am showing right now. So please check these things properly. Please follow my tutorial. Follow the tutorial so that you can understood, so you can understand that how to invest the money into the market, how can you earn the money from the market, how can you gain the profit from the market. People who are the investor, who the successful investor, they are actually following this kind of process. This is the process they are following. They are actually checking out the process where the market, where the company has uh, proper, where the company has the good future, where the company is actually making the goodwill, they where the company is actually making the continuous profit. They check the details, they analyze the details of their past records, then they invest their money into that company. Okay, so this is a similar process we are following into the market. We are actually checking the previous past records, past details, and when we see the continuous ups or continuous down, we are actually investing our money into the market with that process. Okay, so this is the process. This is the scenario we should follow. So whoever earning the money, whoever gaining the number, we should go for the same. We should follow the same process. We should go for that, and we will definitely gain the number. We will definitely gain the money. Okay. So please follow my tutorial. Please check my details. Check the full video and understand how to invest your money. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and like my video and share the video with other people who can understand that how to invest the money in the market. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Bye.